Welcome back to my channel, Dooney Addicts. It's Dooney Addict 615, and I am back with a 4th of July cart. We are on Hump Day, Wednesday, July the 5th, but the ILoveDooney as well as dooney.com 4th of July sales continue. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so very much for joining. I hope that you'll stick around, watch the video, and if you like what you see here, that you'll check out a few more and consider subscribing and turning on your bell alert so that you do not miss any of my future uploads. If you are one of my returning subscribers, one of my amazing tribe sisters, thank you so very much for your continued support of this video series. To all of my new subscribers, welcome to the tribe. Come in, find a new friend, and definitely engage. All right, let's take a look at this quick 4th of July card. So the first item is the Alto Arietta, because Arietta with the promo code Fireworks is $330.85. from a retail price of $509. I recommend the color saddle, red, or the color black if you wear black with everything. I think that this is still an amazing bag and I don't want you to miss out on it. The bag of the month for the month of June sold completely out, and the July bag has launched at $99, and it is the Pebble Grain Zip Crossbody. I've pulled it here for 3 different colors. I actually featured this bag in a recent live, or a bag similar to this. So if you're curious or wanting to see capacity, I actually compared it to the Dottie, Florentine Dottie. I would recommend the color Bone, because regardless of what part of the country you live in, bone can be a year-round color. Spearmint, that turquoisey blue-green, seems to be the hottest color of the season. And of course, Dooney has its version of it in spearmint. Again, with the code, promo code, these come down to $99. If you use the code Fireworks, you're gonna overpay for the bag of the month, because the promo is actually July and it brings the price of these bags down to $99. And then of course, the last color that I recommend is Oyster, because I am oyster crazy. I am neutral bag crazy, and nobody does a color like Dooney and Burke when it comes to oyster, which is not available always, so get it while you can. There are also some other amazing colors like this Caribbean blue, which is a nod to a couple of summers back when the Siesta and Montego collections were available. And then there's also the sky blue color if you are looking for something in that blue color family. The next item that I am recommending is the Florentine Elisa. This bag was available a couple years ago, multicolored pebble grain leather, and I believe it was smooth leather. I need to dig mine out so that I can share it with you all so that you can make a decision about this bag. But it is an amazing bag. The capacity of this, let me think if I can come up with a Dooney bag that would have similar capacity. It would probably be like Genoa or Camila, capacity similar to maybe the Florentine flap satchel. It has about that same capacity as those bags, if you have those in your collection or are familiar. 5.5 inches in the depth, 12.5 inches long, 9 inches high in this gorgeous Italian Florentine leather. It is going to patina and get darker and richer and more amazing. The shoulder strap does come off, right? It detaches. It's not like a lobster claw. But if you wanted to take the strap off and put a different kind of guitar strap on, you could. It is adjustable for a shoulder bag or a crossbody. But if my memory serves me correctly, it does not have the third section in the strap. So it's only going to be adjustable, not completely removable. And then the next two bags are, because it is summertime, you need a good beach bag, barbecue bag, poolside bag. You need a great tote that you can throw on the front seat after work on Fridays when you're road tripping or early Saturday morning. And that is going to be the Wayfarer Tote. It's going to be large enough to hold everything. I recommend either the color yellow or Kelly green because they're going to be amazing pops of color. You're not going to lose sight of your bag. And those colors are going to work with everything that you wear. Just think about it. Trees have green leaves and flowers bloom on those trees with green leaves, and they all look gorgeous. So green is going to go with everything, and yellow is going to be your pop of color. With the code FIREWORKS, the Wayfarer Tote comes down to $83.85. It has a very generous shoulder drop. It has an outside pocket that is going to be great for those quick access things like your phone, your sunglasses, your card case, your hand sanitizer, maybe even your boarding passes if you're not doing electronic, if you need to hold on to receipts, maybe even gum, inhaler, allergy meds, any of those things, business cards. That outside pocket is going to be absolutely perfect for those things. Nylon is going to be lightweight, so you're not going to feel like you're burdened down with a heavy bag and all of this heat and humidity. It has a light colored lining, so it's going to be reflective, so you're never going to lose anything inside your bag. It has, in the words of military mom, the SDS, or the standard Dooney setup, with a back slip and zip pocket and two front slip pockets. It also has your nylon key keeper. Great shoulder drop. The trim is going to be gorgeous with all of your sandals, all of your clothes. It is just going to work. And the nice thing is it has feet under the bottom. They're reinforced with leather. And I would guarantee you that regardless of which color you pick up, you already have accessories in your stash to match. And the last item, two items in my cart, are the Florentine Large Dottie at $148.85. This color pale blue is absolutely amazing and at a great price. It's Florentine. It starts with a number 1. That price doesn't have a comma in it. I recently featured the Dottie in the color natural from my trip to Alaska. Share it with you how much it holds. And if memory serves me correctly, this bag is going for $40 more over on dooney.com. So if you like this color, if you don't already have it in your collection, use the code FIREWORKS. It brings this bag down to $148.85. The Florentine Hattie drawstring, I recently did surgery on Hattie in the color pale blue to secure the strap. This color teal is absolutely gorgeous. I am already thinking about fall. I just noticed that the cherry tree in my front yard is already starting to lose its leaves, which is a surefire sign that we are going to have an early fall. This bag, $194.35. I recently shared in a video what the Florentine Hattie holds. I did a size comparison to the large Florentine Hattie drawstring in the color red compared to the pale blue. And this color is absolutely gorgeous. It is a perfect jewel tone for your fall and winter months. And if you have wardrobe pieces that have teal colors, deeper, darker, or aquatic colors for the summer, this teal color will work for those as well. So that is it. The code fireworks for the 4th of July sale, and then back to the bag of the month. Again, if you use the code fireworks, it brings it down to $155.35. But if you use the promo code for the bag of the month, which is July, it brings the bag down to $99 a month. Again, the July bag of the month is the Pebble Grain Zip Crossbody. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these bags. Have you seen any other deals that you would like to alert the rest of the community to? Do you have any of these in your collection? Are you chomping at the bit to pull the trigger on your 4th of July sale purchases? I have included affiliate links down below for your ease of shopping. I hope you all had an amazing holiday. And until next time, I do hope you find something that feeds your addiction. Take care.